In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up SMTP and Twilio on Webinarloop, ensuring you're all set for 2025 with seamless communication at your fingertips. We're going to walk through each step methodically so you can easily follow along without any hitches. Let's get started. First, navigate your browser over to your Webinarloop dashboard. If you haven't done so yet, go ahead and log in with your details. Once you're on the main screen, you'll want to look at the top menu where you'll find the Webinars option. Give that a click. Now, with our focus on creating engaging webinars, the next move will be to create a new one. So go ahead and click on Create New Webinar. Here's where you begin the creative process by filling in the essential details about your webinar. Start with your webinar title. Choose a name that captures the essence of your presentation. Then move on to the webinar description. A concise yet descriptive overview lets your audience know what to expect. You'll also be asked to specify the webinar type. You have three choices: scheduled, on demand, or just in time. Pick the one that best suits the experience you want to offer your participants. Decide on the level of accessibility by selecting either open or secret under access. And finally, make sure the status is set to active. Once everything is filled in to your liking, click Submit to save these details. We're smoothly moving along, aren't we? Next, let's configure Twilio to integrate it with your webinar experience. From the top navigation bar, head over to Twilio Settings. Once you're there, click on Add Number. Here, you'll input some key pieces of information. Begin with the name, which is essentially your chosen identifier for this Twilio integration. Then enter your registered Twilio phone number under Twilio Number. Now, for the two crucial fields, account SED and auth token. These are sourced directly from your Twilio dashboard. Take a moment to retrieve them, ensuring accuracy, and input them here. Following that, click on Save Changes to ensure all these details are cataloged. The setup isn't complete until we make sure everything works perfectly. On the right-hand side, you'll see an option to test your added SMTP. Click there, select your Twilio number, then hit Send. This test will confirm if everything is functioning as intended. And with that, you're all done. You've successfully connected SMTP and Twilio in Webinarloop, setting the stage to send automatic notifications and reminders to your webinar attendees effortlessly. Now you can focus on delivering a compelling webinar experience, knowing that your communications are automated and in good hands. Thanks for following along, and happy webinar hosting!